Hello, this is question 11 on your November 2021 paper 1 from AQA, and you have a curve C passed through the point with coordinates 1, 6. The gradient of the curve is given by this function, and so that C intersects the coordinate axis at exactly one point and state the coordinates of that point. So we are going to find the equation of the curve because we have the derivative and we have one point to find the constant of integration. This is a differential equation, so we have dy dx and x and y. So what we are going to do is separate in one side all the y's and in the other side all the x. So I can write, so I have dy by dx is 1/6 x squared y squared, just expanding the bracket. So I can write 6 dy and y squared in one side. I think I just prefer the 6 multiplying that as a fraction, but you can leave it here and that's completely fine. So I just multiply by 6 and divide by y squared and then multiply by dx. And I have x squared dx. I'm just rearranging. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate both sides. When I integrate the first one, I have 6 y to the power of minus 2 dy, if you prefer writing like this, x squared dx. So when I integrate the first one, I have 6y to the power of 1 less, so minus 1, divided by the new exponents, divided by minus 1, and I can write the minus here instead of as denominator, and then x squared is going to be x cubed divided by 3, and then my constant of integration. I can write the function 6 divided by y is x cubed divided by 3 plus c, if you prefer. And we are going to find the constant of integration, making the function pass the point 1, 6. So if the point is in the curve, it must satisfy the equation. When x is 1, y must be 6. So 1, 6 means that minus 6 divided by the y, which is 6, is going to be x cubed divided by 3 plus c. And from here, c is minus 1 minus 1/3. Minus 1, we say minus 1/3, which is minus 4/3. So my function, my fx, if you want to write, well, no, we're going to write it this way. We are going to have minus 6 divided by y equals x cubed divided by 3 minus 4/3. We can rearrange or not, but that's our function. And now we have to see that this function cuts in the x or the y axis only once. So we are going to try what happens when x is 0. When x is 0, I have that minus 6 divided by y, minus 6 divided by y is minus 4/3, which means that y is, we can cancel the minuses, y is 18 divided by 4 or 4.5, yeah? When we try making y equal to 0, we are dividing by 0, or if you want to write the y multiplying here, that would be minus 6 equal something multiplied by 0, which is 0. So that cannot be because minus 6 must be equal to 0. So minus 6 equal to 0 is not possible. So only point of intersection with the axis, only point of intersection with the axis is when x is 0 and y is 4.5. Yeah, and that's all you have to do with this question.